Watch carefully. Something interesting is happening here. Why does pepper suddenly run away the moment I add soap? This is not magic. It is physics and chemistry working together. We have a clean plate, some water. Take pepper, crush it or use crushed pepper. And we need liquid soap. To the plate add some water, then sprinkle crushed pepper. First, let's observe the system without any disturbance. Notice how the pepper particles remain on the surface instead of sinking. This already tells us something about the forces acting at the surface of water. Now think carefully, why is the pepper floating? A. It's lighter than water. B. The water surface supports it. C. Air is trapped inside. Think like a scientist. Observe before answering. Let's test what happens when we touch the water. As you can see, nothing changes significantly. Now, let's introduce a chemical change. Add a very small amount of liquid soap to this and then touch the surface. And suddenly, the entire system reorganizes itself. The pepper suddenly moves away. What causes this sudden movement? A. External mechanical force. B. Surface tension gradient. C. Change in density. Focus on what changed in the system. This phenomena is explained by surface tension and its variation across the surface. Water molecules attract each other due to intermolecular forces, mainly hydrogen bonding. At the surface, these forces create a thin, stretched layer, almost like an invisible skin. That is why the pepper stays on the surface instead of sinking. When we add soap, soap molecules have two paths, a hydrophilic head and a hydrophobic tail. This disrupts the attraction between water molecules. The surface tension is no longer uniform. Some regions have lower surface tension while others have higher surface tension. Water naturally moves from region of lower surface tension to higher surface tension. This motion is called Marangoni effect. As the water rapidly shifts, it carries the pepper particle along with it. This same principle is used in cleaning. Soap reduces surface tension, allowing water to spread and remove dirt effectively. So this simple experiment connects molecular forces, fluid dynamics and real-life applications. Now it's your turn. Share your answers to both questions in the comments. Join us again for new science demonstrations on the second Sunday of every month. Thank you.